In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a correlation. We have two sets of data, both of which are scale. We want to know if weight and height correlate with each other, and if so, is this a positive or a negative correlation? The first thing you'll need to do is to test your data to see whether or not they follow a normal distribution. And just to remind you, one of the ways that you can do this is by going to Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, Legacy Dialogues, One Sample KS. Now I did this earlier, so I already have my variables in this box, but you might see them start off like this. So you would move each one over into the test variable list, check that normal is ticked, press OK. And then we have here our p-value, our assumpsig, two-tailed, and this is a lot greater than 0.05. So we can say that we therefore have not been able to reject the null hypothesis, and our data do appear to be normally distributed. To then perform the actual correlation, go to Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate, and just move both sets of data over. You can move several sets of data and have multiple combinations as well. It's automatically selected Pearson. This is the parametric version of our correlation test. If our data had not been normally distributed, we would select Spearman, and it would be that easy. We then press OK. And now what we have is we have each comparison done against each other. So weight versus height, height versus weight. So if you had several different sets of data, you would have repeated combinations that you might see. This shows us here, so the value that we're looking for here, if this is close to 1, it means that we are extremely well correlated, that there is a very, very strong correlation, hence why when you compare weight with itself, you get a 1. So this is very close indeed to even a weight versus weight. And then this is just repeated here, and this is our significant difference, which as you can see is less than 0.001. And it also gives us our n numbers as well. If this is a positive number, as it is here, then this suggests a positive correlation. So if I show you on a graph, you can see here how as height increases, weight increases. If the value had been a negative number, this would suggest a negative correlation. So it would be as weight increases, height decreases. Now that's very unlikely in this scenario, but there might be data sets where this can happen.